Welcome to our channel. Roses Roses are more than just a flower. They are a symbol of love, passion and beauty. From their vibrant colors to their sweet fragrance, roses have captured our heart for centuries. But what makes roses so special? For one, their beauty is unmatched. Each variety has its own unique color and shape, from classic reds and pinks to more unusual hues like blue and black. And when a rose is in full bloom, there is nothing quite like it. But the beauty of roses goes beyond just their appearance. Their sweet fragrance is another hallmark of this beloved flower. Walking through a garden filled with roses is a sensory experience like no other, with each bloom realizing its own unique scent. Not forget about the role roses play in nature. They are an important source of food for bees and other pollinators, helping to support the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Roses also have many practical uses, particularly in the beauty industry. Their natural oils and extracts are prized for their moisturizing, anti inflammatory, and anti aging properties, making them a popular ingredient in skincare products. The most enduring aspect of roses is their connection to love and romance. Roses have been exchanged as a symbol of affection, from a single stem given to a loved one to an entire bouquet on Valentine's Day. Roses are a classic flower that have crashed for centuries, known for their beauty and fragrance. They can bring a touch of elegance to any garden, but growing healthy, beautiful roses can be a challenge for even the most experienced gardeners. We will share some of the best tips and tricks for growing beautiful roses. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you cultivate thriving rose plants that will bloom all season long. First thing first, choose the right type of rose for your garden. There are several varieties to choose from, including hybrid tea roses, floribunda roses, and climbing roses. Each type has its own unique characteristics, so be sure to do your research to determine which one is best suited for your garden. When you have chosen your roses, it's time to plant them. Roses need a lot of sun, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil should be well draining and rich in nutrients. If your soil is lacking, consider amending it with compost or other organic matter. Watering is also important for rose plants. Give them a deep watering once a week rather than frequent shallow watering. These will encourage the roots to grow deeper, making the plant more resilient during dry spells. Be sure to water the soil directly and avoid getting water on the leaves, which can lead to disease. Pruning is another essential step. and rose care. Prune your roses in the early spring before new growth appears. Remove any dead or diseased wood, as well as any canes that are crossing or rubbing against each other. This will help promote healthy growth and improve air circulation around the plant. Finally, fertilizing is important for rose plants. Apply a balanced fertilizer in the spring. After pruning, repeat every 4 to 6 weeks throughout the growing seasons until about 6 weeks before the first frost. This will help your roses produce more blooms and stay healthy throughout the season. Growing beautiful roses take time and effort, but with the right care, you can enjoy a garden full of vibrant, healthy blooms. Follow these steps and tricks, and you will be well on your way to growing the most beautiful roses in your neighborhood.